What's going on, guys? My name's Brandon Haneline, your Jeep informant, and I hate to bring you two service bulletins in one day, but this one was just released today and I feel it's kind of important, so I need to go ahead and get it out to you as quick as possible. Now, this TSB 02-006-18 applies to the 2018 JL Jeep Wrangler with the Mopar 2-inch lift kit installed. Okay, this is only for the vehicles that have installed the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. That's very important, okay, to know that. This is not for every Jeep Wrangler, okay? So if you have purchased or had installed part number 7707-2395AB Mopar Performance 2-inch lift kit, all right, and it was manufactured before May 1st, then this service bulletin applies to you. Now, this bulletin involves inspecting and replacing the left front lower isolator if needed. Now, if you've experienced a clicking type noise while driving under normal conditions and this lift is installed, this might be what's going on. Now, what they want you to do is visually inspect the spring to see if it's making contact with the jounce bumper at curb height. Now, if this is the case, then this repair would need to be performed. Now, it looks like the repair consists of replacing the left side lower spring isolator with a new part number 6842-7380AA. Now, there's a couple things to be aware of when you're doing this repair. The upper spring seat is keyed to only fit one way, all right? So we want to make sure that this spring is oriented properly so that the lower spring isolator fits correctly. Now, it states here in one of the notes here that the front coil springs included in the lift kit are designed for axle articulation and clearance in all conditions. And as a result of this, the springs have a bow in them when they're properly installed. The bow appearance is normal and is not an indication of a failed spring. So, to make a long story short, if you've installed the Mopar 2-inch lift kit and you've got a popping noise on the left-hand side, inspect the spring to see if it's making contact with the jounce bumper, and if it is, then you would need to install this new left lower spring isolator. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below and I'll answer the best I can. Other than that, it's a wrap. I hope you're smarter now than you were when you started this video. Have a great day. Be safe. We'll see you next time, guys.